Chinmay sir, actually I had trouble in logging in my Zoom account, actually maybe email account. So I have just used my sister's account. So that's why it's showing Ankita Nair.
Ma'am, ma'am, Laura here. Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
My voice is not audible?
Yes, ma'am, now audible. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Laura, tell me.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, last class miss ମୁଁ କରିଥିଲି ଆପଣ average marginal cost ଆଉ marginal cost ଆଉ average variable cost ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଯେଉଁ ଗ୍ରାଫ୍ ବନେଇଥିଲେ ବୋର୍ଡ଼ରେ ତ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ମୁଁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଦେଖିଥିଲି ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମାନେ ଯେଉଁ ବୋର୍ଡ଼ରେ ଗ୍ରାଫ୍ ବନେଇଥିଲେ ତ ସେଇଟା କ୍ଲିୟର ଆସୁନି ସେଇଟା ସର୍ଟ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ରେ ଆସୁଛି ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ସେଇଟା ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଫଟୋ ଥିବ କି ଯଦି ପିଲା କିଏ ଲେଖିଥିବେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ପଠେଇଦେଲେ ଭଲ ହୁଅନ୍ତା।
Don't worry. More say class notes. I will provide you. That will be okay.
Okay,
I'll
okay,
provide
ma'am. Yes,
everyone
ma'am.
in the group. I'll provide everyone in the group. Actually, after I complete a portion, I plan to provide the notes like that so that you people will understand कि आमे जोड़ा पढ़ी थिले तार notes टा हमें synchronize कले we will get to know. So if I'm सेमती पठौची once this production is over, okay, don't worry. Once this production is over, I will send this production notes as well as cost marginal cost from the पढ़ी थिले ना. Say graph रे photo टा I will do one thing. I'll send you. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, there are more people to come or this much?
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay, I'll share my screen. I have not been allowed. Chinmay sir, kindly just please make me the host. Okay. So production, I think total average marginal product, how portion thila tomorrow, what was that? Anybody can just help me out with that? Total
Yes,
average
ma'am.
marginal
Law
product
of
and law
variable.
variable proportion. Yeah. I
Yes,
don't know
ma'am.
by how this mistake shouldn't have been done, but I don't know how I missed it. I think because I lacked some of your books with me, so I think I have just skipped it. Okay, so we will today read about total average and marginal product, and I will try to finish it within your understanding as well as law of variable proportions also, so that we will not go back with the course. Okay. Okay, so today we will read about total average and marginal product. Okay. Now total product. Total product is denoted as TP. Okay. Total product को हमें economical language or sometimes you will see there are some shortcut in your books. Okay, sometimes you will see when there are shortcuts in the examination question also. majorly एते shortcut रे question दिए but in numericals it may give. So please understand this, full forms. P, what do we denote about it? Is my letter visible? This empty border लिखले देखा होचे screen में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I don't know what happened. It was not at all visible. So for that reason, I am writing it as much as possible in bigger letters. Okay. So TP is also known as total product. Now, what is total product? Total product is the amount of goods and services produced in a specific period of time by all units of a variable factor, keeping other factors fixed. Total product is the sum of goods that is being produced at a particular period of time by certain company. Okay, to understand in the layman language, to make you people understand, I'm saying it in a simple way. But when you write in the copy, write it in the definition. Okay, go by the definition. Don't if you can decorate your words with a good language, like you understand, then you can write it in the exam also. It will not happen anything. But for some students who does not prefer to write it in the layman language or understanding of their own, just please follow the definition. Okay, now for example, if deploying 5 units of labor and 2 units of machine of a commodity is produced, then this is 30 units of commodity is the total production. Okay, now suppose 5 units of labor has been used and 2 units of machine has been used and it produced 30 unit of a commodity. That 30 unit is the total product. For example, we can say if गोटे farm रे production पांचटा labor को नहीं कि दीटा pen produce होची, then दीटा machine नहीं कि 30 टा pen produce होची, then say 30 units होची हमारा total production. बुझे इसला? What is the total product?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, for example, got a numerical record. Suppose 6 workers are employed on a machine and each worker is producing 5 units of the commodity, then total unit will be 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Now, suppose question alter kar de bhi move. If suppose 5 workers are employed on a machine and each worker is producing 2 units, then what will be the total production?
Ma'am, 10.
Very good. Yeah. Is anyone saying anything?
Ma'am, ticket slow ticket.
Okay. Okay, so total product माने होची जेते बड़े हमें सबु जाको commodity good and service produce होची by using every variable factors and also keeping the other factors fixed. ताकू हमें total product होचे. For example, if 5 unit of labor use होची and 2 units of machine use होची, that तापरे जो 30 units of product बाहर होची, then say 30 units को हमें total product कहूचे. बुझेला? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the marginal product? Marginal product is the change in total production due to application of an additional unit of a variable factor. Now, who can just say me having using some common sense and little bit of idea by correlating when I have taught you people marginal cost and this marginal product, who can just relate these two things and say me what is this definition saying? The definition of
Ma'am, when we are using 2 laborers and production is 10 units, and if we use 3 laborer and production becomes 13 units, then 13 minus 10, it is the marginal production.
And by definition, how will we state that?
Ma'am, marginal production is the change in the total production due to increase in a variable factor.
Very good. Now, marginal product is the change in the total production due to an application of an additional unit of variable factor. Suppose, then the example by employing 5 units of labor, 20 units of product were produced. By employing 6 units of labor, 24 units of product are produced. Then at a marginal product kete asiba del y by del I. So del y ta me kemiti janu che y1 minus y. y1 minus y, y1 is ki y ki hai thi a question hai. What is y1 and what is y?
Ma'am, y1 is 24 and y is 20.
Yeah. And what is the del I? Del I ki what is I1 and what is I?
Ma'am, 6 is del I1 and 5 is I.
Very good. Very good. So आमे marginal product केते use होइछि आमे केमिति जानिबा by using this formula del y by del I. जदि question रे देइथिबो if certain questions is put up like this by employing 5 unit of labor and 20 units of product are produced, the question एथाइ पारे number हमर change करिक देइथाइ पारे, then we will use this formula and we will do the calculation and the result is your marginal product. Okay, where del y is the increase in the production output. So del y is your increase in the production output and del I is the change in the variable input. Okay, now what is the relation of TP and MP? TP is equal to summation of all the MPs. TP is equal to MP जेते थिबो क्वेश्चन रे कि MP जेते थिबो मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट जेतेटा थिबो आमे ताकू जेते बेले एडिशन कर दबा we will get the TP. बुझी आसला एतिकी ना बुझी आसला किछि TPMP बुझी आसला नि रिलेशन.
Yes, ma'am, relation after explain karibu.
Yes, ma'am, authority.
Relation of TP and MP is very simple. TP is equal to summation of your MP. जेतेटा भी marginal product बाहरिबो तार सबु को हमें sum कर देले हमको TP मिलिबो. That is your total product. बुझी आसला.
Yes, ma'am.
If in a certain question it is asked what will be your TP if MP is MP बाहरची धर कर 5 units, first रे बाहरला MP बाहरची 4 units. तो हमरा TP केते बाहरिबो? TP केते हबो?
Ma'am, 9.
Ma'am,
Very
9.
good. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. That 9 is your TP, total product. एबे relation बुझी आसिला? Summation of all your
Yes, ma'am.
MPs is your TP.
Ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I didn't have my duster today with me. Let it be. Okay. Okay. So who will say me what is your average product?
Ma'am, TP divided by the variable factor.
Number is going to variable factors. Okay. I mean average product कौन बुझुचो? What do you mean by average? What do you mean by average? Average रो कौन माने बुझुचो? किछि बुझु ना? What do you mean by average?
Ma'am, the middle one.
Average is the middle one.
Half of ma'am, half of something or near the half.
Something and near the half. Okay. Average माने हमें average गोटे जिंस रो कौन पे बाहर करछे?
Ma'am, to know its full price.
What is the link? I couldn't get it. To know the full price of what? Why are we using average for getting the full price?
Ma'am, just for example, if a commodity is like one commodity, if a price of a one commodity is this much the average, so accordingly we can find the price of other 2-3 commodities.
Ma'am, it is a rough.
Sorry?
Ma'am, it is the rough estimation through which we can know the type of production, average type.
To be very precise and to be very simple in the language, ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଜିନିଷକୁ produce କରିବା ପାଇଁ 50 ଟଙ୍କା ଲାଗିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷକୁ produce କରିବା ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଲାଗିବ ତାକୁ ଆମେ average ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ average ଭାଗ କରୁଛୁ ନା average ଭାଗ କରୁଛୁ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ବୁଝିପାରିଲ what is average? To be very precise and very simple, not going through any Google definition, not going through any bookish definition, just to understand the concept of average. ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି average ର concept. ବୁଝିହେଲା?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, why are we reaching average product? माने कौन? Average product is the per unit production of a variable factor. Per unit production केते होची गोटे variable factor रे ताको हमें जानिया ପାଇଁ average product कहूचे. सेटा हमें केमिति जानिबा? We will get to know that there is a formula. Your AP is equal to TP by L. Your TP is the total product. L is the number of units of variable factors. Suppose if TP is 50 and L is 5, then your AP will be 50 by 5 is equal to 12. 50 by 5, 12.
No, ma'am. It's 10.
So no. 50 by 5 मुझे 0 by something is equal to infinity. सब हाँ मान लो. 50 by 5 is equal to 12. Okay. Ebe average product बुझे सिला what is L over here, what is TP over here. ebe TP L कोडी देखिले बुझी परिबो ना बुझी परिबो. Mind को आसीबो जाना L होची number of units of variable factors and TP is your total product, AP is your average product. Okay. Now suppose if TP is your 150, okay, and suppose your if your TP is equal to 150 and your L is equal to 10, what will be your AP?
Ma'am, 15.
If TP is equal to 150, your LP is equal to 10. Yeah. What will be your AP? What will be your AP?
Ma'am, 15.
Very good. Understood. Upon सब total product बुझी आसिला, average product बुझी आसिला, marginal product ର definition अनुसार concept clear ହେଲା. Total का को जाए, average का को जाए, marginal का को जाए.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now suppose it is a mathematical mudeji. Okay, now who will say me how MP is calculated over here? Who can say me how MP is calculated over here? I have not done your simple mathematics over here. I bracket mathematics kari diye 10 by something 0 1. I do that, but I haven't done it because some concept clear is how MP is calculated over here. If suppose unit of labor is 1, TP is 10, AP is 10, how MP is going to be calculated over here? Who will say me? Who will make me understand?
Ma'am, 50 by L.
What by L?
TP by L.
The math रे कह के बुझा एटे 10 का लिखा है why MP I have written 10, why not I have written it 15? What is the mathematics? केमती calculation हिची एटी calculation तो जाना पड़नी ना, calculation तो जाना पड़ची एटी. The calculation ने केमती calculate हिची जे we have got the result MP as 10.
50 but
No, that example is separate. This one is a separate example. ये example ला भूली जाओ. सेटा example को mind रो calculate करो. मैं delete मारो. इटा is नुआ mathematics. तमरा MP 10 केमती है ला मते कुहो. पहले आगु को बढ़ला.
ma'am, this table.
From this table only. अरे तुमरे एटा गोटे simple mathematics है ना नहीं एटी.
Yes, ma'am.
If जगह मु छाड़ी देबी गोटे काम कर भाभी दियो जे एमपी जगह सब 00 अछि मते एबे एमपी कैलकुलेट करी कहले केते हबो तमरा टीपी देछि एपी देछि यूनिट्स ऑफ लेबर देछि एवरीथिंग हैज बीन जोड़ा दरकार फॉर्मूला में सब अछि L is there, TP is there, AP is there. How to calculate MP? MP ର formula कौन?
Ma'am, 10/1.
See 10/1 टे तोर केमती पाइलु केम जानलु 10/1? ठीक कहलु जे 10/1 टा केमती जानिलु मत सेटा को?
Ma'am, AP by labor. Ma'am, TP by labor, TP.
MP ର formula कौन सुमन?
मैम एपी मैम सर टीपी बाय एल
AP टा TP by L I understood. I'm asking what is your MP over here? MP टा केमती कैलकुलेट करी कि जानिलो जे एटा 10 अछि 8 अछि 6 अछि 4 अछि 2 अछि से कैलकुलेशन टा कोन मत मैथमेटिक्स से बुझो अरे गोटे कॉमन सेंस देखो यूज करो व्हाट इज योर एमपी फॉर्मूला एबे कहली संगे संगे 2 मिनिट पूर्व भूली गला संगे संगे व्हाट इज योर एमपी फॉर्मूला
Ma'am, initial TP minus, ma'am, final TP minus initial TP.
ओके এটা फॉर्मूला ना भूल लिखली जल्दी आंसर जल्दी is this a formula or I have written wrong
यस मैम
Ma'am, what
Formula?
is the here?
let me explain this and I'll come to you okay Suman just a second
Ma'am, what? Okay, ma'am.
okay so what del y माने कौन change in what do you mean by del y increase in or change in the production of output right so here the calculation is very simple Sila, how we got 10 did you get that for unit of labor 2 okay we will say another case example for unit of labor 2 we will do by your 2 minus 1 now you people get how MP is we are getting MP
Ma'am, what is I represents here?
what I have told you in the marginal product what we are studying what does I represent only you yourself has given me the answer Suman आईटा मते मु तते कहले थी तू मते कहलु आई व्हाट इज आई ठीक है मने पका भी खाई जाउ ना सब संगे संग स्लाइड चेंज होची मुंडटा भी सेम चेंज हो जाउची व्हाट इज आई आई कोन सुमन एठी
Ma'am, don't know.
स्क्रीन ऊपर मु तो देखौची आई इज द चेंज इन द वेरिएबल इनपुट
Okay, ma'am.
you guys have only said me I have asked you del I केमिति जानिबा you said I1 तू मते कहलु ना नहीं del y टा मते पछली केम जानिबा तू तो कहलु मैम y1 minus y I asked you what is y1 or I asked you what is I1 you said 6 ma'am I said what is I you said 5 so we got 4 एठी हम मैथमेटिक्स कहले ना नहीं 24 minus 20 by 6 minus 5 is equal to 4 बुझी आसला एठी एमपी केमती कैलकुलेट करू छे हमें
Yes, ma'am.
change in
ma'am.
output बुझी परलो unit of labor input रा change केमती हला बुझी परलो what is एठी हमर 10 केमती आसिला because we have got nothing to change from so we have considered that one as 0 10 minus 0 by 1 minus 0 is equal to 10 तापर एटा हमर केमती हला 18 minus 10 18 कोडा your TP is your 18 change है कि del y is equal to y1 minus y. What is your y1 here? y1 कितने unit of 2 रे unit of labor 2 रे y1 कितने
मैम 18
18 and i1 i2 and i1 कितने
मैम 2
2 very good तो सेतला में 18 minus 2 2 minus 1 is equal to 8 एबे बुझी परला एमपी केमती आसिला
यस मैम
Yes,
अब
ma'am.
किसी कार डाउट रहला a टेबल रे
नो मैम
No, ma'am.
नो वन पछरे भारी बनी डाउट कि मैडम मते एटा बुझी आसलानी केमती हला पछरे डाउट बाहरले किछ नै आई एक्सप्लेन यू 100 times also I don't have any problem with that but when we are going slide by slide and when we are going slow then you should understand the basic concept
मैम
understood हां
मैम एठी आईटा 18 केमती हला मैम एटा तो टिप्पी ना
I1 टा तोर 18 बाबा I1 is your 18 এটা আমি del I ভাগ করছে না নাই you said I টা কি কইলা 18 I1 is your 2
मैम I1 और I सेटारो टिके मीनिंग टा टिके कहि देबे मैम
okay wait simple बुझुस तते देख এটা ঠিক লিখলি না ভুল লিখলি সুমন
यस मैम
ঠিক লিখলি এটি তো মতে কো y1 কেতে হবো এগুলো দেখি গো y1 টা আমি কেমতি পাইবা
मैम मैम एक्चुअली मु पचारथिली मैम y1 और y मैम तारो मीनिंग टा कोन
এইটা মতে তো কহিলি মার্জিনাল প্রোডাক্ট রে हमर del y माने होची कोन इंक्रीज इन द प्रोडक्शन आउटपुट इंक्रीज केते हला हमें केमिति जानिबा जेते बेले हमर इनिशियली केते प्रोडक्शन आउटपुट होतिला तापरे चेंज इन प्रोडक्शन आउटपुट रो माइनस करले सना हमें जानि परबा जे केते इंक्रीज हेची प्रोडक्शन आउटपुट रे
यस मैम मैम
चेंज
तो
इन वेरिएबल
मैम y टा तो इनिशियल प्रोडक्शन तो टीपी टा तो सब प्रोडक्शन को मिसई की टीपी होची तो y टा तो मैम y टा तो इनिशियल प्रोडक्शन तो टीपी से तो y केमती समान हला मैम
तू अलगा कांसेप्ट बुझुछु किछि
मैम जो से टेबल रे आपण जो लिखि कहितले
ओ टेबल रे म कोन कहि देली तते
मैम आपण जो 18 टा मैम y कहितले मैम 18
हां y1 होची तो 18
यस मैम
हां y टा उस तो 10
मैम y1 टा होची इनिशियल प्रोडक्शन तो इनिशियल प्रोडक्शन ता टीपी से
इनिशियल प्रोडक्शन नुहे y1 टा उस तो चेंज इन द प्रोडक्शन
मैम ताल तो डेल y टा चेंज इन प्रोडक्शन
y1 टा होची तो केते del y हमें कोन पे बाहर करछ सुन मते के बेसिक जिंस रखो why we use del y in any situation हमें del टा कोन पे बाहर करछ कोड del लागे कहलु को कांसेप्ट रे हमर del टा लागे
मैम चेंज पाई
चेंज में del टा लागे तो हमर चेंज टा केते हैला हमें केमी जानिबा इनिशियली चेंज जेति की थिला तापरे चेंज जेति की हैला ताको माइनस करले हमें जानि परबे जे चेंज रो फैक्टर टा केते हैला ना नहीं
यस मैम
तो क्वेश्चन तू कोन पचार मते आउ थरे पचार क्लियरली पचार
मैम एडी जो यूनिट ऑफ लेबर देछि मैम सेटा तो मैम मैम सेटा तो यूनिट ऑफ लेबर हैला
यूनिट ऑफ लेबर टा कोन लेबर टा कोन हमरो व्हाट इज लेबर
वेरिएबल
So that is L. सेटा तो L ना नहीं बुझिलु L सेटा तो हमर एठी I1 minus I तोर केते आसीबो 2 minus 1 is equal to 8 2 टा उसरे चेंज 1 टा उसरे इनिशियल तो हमरे डेल केते वेरिएबल हमर इनपुट चेंज हिच हमें केमि जानिबा चेंज माइनस इनिशियल इज इक्वल टू 1
yes ma'am ma'am
एबे बुझी हला कांसेप्ट क्लियर हला
मैम लेबर मैम जो वेरिएबल फैक्टर रो सेटा मैम बुझेला बट मैम y1 टा जो 18 कहले मैम y1 टा 18 केम थला
y1 टा तोर चेंज हिची ना टीपी जेते बेले हमें गोटे यूनिट ऑफ लेबर प्रोड्यूस करथिले हमर टोटल प्रोडक्शन होतिला 10 हमें जेते बेले दीटा यूनिट ऑफ लेबर प्रोड्यूस कले हमर टोटल प्रोडक्शन हला 18 सिंपल
yes ma'am yes
एबे बुझेसला सुमन माने नाकडा को एमि धरा जे तू नाकडा को एमि धोछु बुलेगी
मैम 5 घंटा परे बुझे
सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स पूरा सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स माइंड एते कॉम्प्लिकेटेड करी कोन पई देखुछु तू
yes ma'am
एरा सिंपल लागला ना नहीं एबे तू तो सत्य कथा कहलु तो क्वेश्चन टिके तू भाबिलु रेलेवेंट कर टिके तू जा क्वेश्चन पचारथुलु नाकडा मैडम एमि धरा जे मु नाकडा को एमि धरिबी और जेमि धरतु तो नाकडा तो धरला नहीं
क्या मैम
बुझी आसला ना नहीं पे 18 टा केमती हला जते बेले आमे गोटे यूनिट ऑफ लेबर नोथिले सेते बेले हमर टीपी थिला 10 एपी हला 10 एमपी केमिति हला मु सेटा क्वेश्चन पचारली तू नाक मते एमि धरि कि बुले देलु
yes ma'am
सिंपल जिंस सुमन माइंड क्लियर कर पचार किछि डाउट नै जहा पचार छु पचार मु सब जिंस का पे रेडी छु बट तू गोटे कॉमन जिंस रेडी लेखा हिची जोडा कि समस्त बुझी परछंदी तू भी बुझी परछु मु जानि छी बट तू कंफ्यूज हे गलु ना
yes ma'am मैम टीपी को देखि के कंफ्यूज हे गली
कंफ्यूज हेलु मु जानि छी मु केते थरो कहि छी टीपी रो फुल फॉर्म माइंड रे मने रखि थिबो टोटल प्रोडक्ट एवरेज प्रोडक्ट मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट किछ नै हो ठीक अछि एबे तो डाउट क्लियर हला ना क्लियर ऑल डाउट क्लियर नो डाउट एमपी केमती बाहरी आसिला बाहरे समस्त बुझी पारिलो
yes ma'am
ओके एबे मीटिंग स्टॉप होची जॉइन करो आ गोटे मीटिंग आउतर जॉइन करो